believing in yourself that you can achieve more and more and more, it's going to keep you going.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्पॉडकास्ट के इस स्पेशल प्रोग्राम में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट मोहम्मद अमीन और हर हफ्ते की तरह इस हफ्ते भी हमारे स्टूडियो में मौजूद है एक खास मेहमान, और ये मेहमान फुटबॉल से फुटबॉल पैशनेट फुटबॉलर थी पहले, अब कोचिंग में काफ़ी पैशनेट है एंड शी ट्रेन्स, शी गाइड्स अ पाथ for the young women footballers. So let's welcome Dwana.
Thank you so much for having me, Mohammed. I'm glad I'm able to come back here.
Yeah, nice to have you.
Chit chat with you a little bit more about football and women's football.
Yes.
I'm happy to be here.
Promoting women's football is a big challenge, and it's a nice job as well.
Yeah, true. Been trying. I mean, I have my own academy, trying to have a lot of support a lot of little girls and women to continue playing the game at their own environment and feeling safe with the football they play. We're trying to do this for a long time since I grew up playing football in the street with the boys, and I always wanted to have girls playing with me, which is I couldn't find growing up. So now I want little girls to grow up playing football in like safely with cautions, professional way.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think we're still trying to promote that. Yeah. We're not going to stop, I think.
So when you started, it was like Bend It Like Beckham, or there was a movie that came and a young girl wants to become a David Beckham in women's football?
I think it was more like my dad, let's say.
Okay.
Yeah, because I grew up watching him. I mean, he used to take me with him to all his training and footballs and games. So I was more like I want to be like him when I grow up.
Yeah.
And I mean, I grew up playing football and I played the sport professionally and friendly. Yeah.
And your family has footballers, and in Hamid Ismail also prominent name in Qatari football.
Yeah, true.
And I personally feel that one of the best among those generation.
Yeah, true. I mean, he's been personally, he's has the most, I think trophies.
Trophies, yeah.
I think he has a record as a Qatari footballer in Qatar for trophies wise. Yeah, and he's let's say one of the most right back in the league, in Qatar league.
Yeah, true. Yeah. And more energetic.
Yeah. And he's still, I mean, I keep telling him, you still have a lot to more to prove, yeah. And you still can continue, even though they say the age, I mean, it's just a number. Yeah.
And then I expected him to play in the final.
Yeah,
I saw him on the bench, as I was telling you, and I thought it's always he's a good sub.
Great sub, yeah.
He's a great sub. 2023 when I was talking about you playing with Al Arabi, he scored a goal, came on, and then assisted one. So all of a sudden, Hamid Ismail became. Where was Hamid Ismail all these years? Suddenly through the Emir Cup in front of the Sahib Samu, he proved that he was not finished. So what exactly? What do you think that why he was not on the playing 11?
I think it's a good thing that people are knows Hamid worth. And people still believe that when he comes in, he's gonna change the score no matter what.
No matter what, yeah.
Yes, it's a good thing that people still believe in him and knows that he has a lot to prove and he has a lot to give.
Correct.
And he's not finished yet.
Not yet finished yet, yeah.
Yeah, and he's still one of the most fastest right back.
Yes, still today.
Yeah, still, and it's good to know that. I know that feeling. I want to watch him play. I went to that match to watch him play and watch him win that Emir Cup for the 4th time, by the way. Yeah. And I think it's, after all, I am a coach at the end of the day, and if I have this 11 starting up. And I don't want anyone to discuss it with me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just how I think. I want this player to start. I want this. I mean, if Hamid's sitting on the bench, it's not going to take away anything from him.
Okay.
Because people already knows his worth. Even the coach knows Hamid is one of the best right back. And if I need him, he's there.
So how difficult is it, for a girl to adjust into a physical sport? Because football always say it's men's game.
Yeah. till this day. Actually.
Till this day.
Yeah. Even though you can watch Women's Champions League.
Yeah, you
know the final, FCB and Arsenal for women's. Yeah. Till this day, people will say, "Oh, just go to the kitchen." You know what I mean? Yeah, till this day. But I think over the years, women's have like proved them wrong because now in Saudi Arabia they have a professional level kind of league.
Football.
And they've been improving a lot regarding the women's football there. And even here in Doha, we have this a GBL, as I mentioned to you before, the GBL league for women's. It's the first year that they create this league for women's, and I think in the next year it's going to be more
a broader way.
Yes, more eyes on it, more media, which is great, and more support, more sponsor, let's say. Yeah, so it's we're not gonna give up. I mean, it has to be a women's football. Yeah.
So which is the best league according to you in the European standard? Premier, Spanish?
In my opinion, is the Premier League.
Why so?
Because I do follow Premier League a lot, more than La Liga. Because I only watch the game of Barcelona, but with the Premier League I watch all the games. You can never expect if Manchester City is going to win this game or not.
Okay.
It keeps you like on the edge.
On the edge.
Yes. Are they going to win? No. See, it's 1-0 till now. 80 minutes.
Okay.
And Manchester City can score 2 goals in the last 2 minutes.
Okay.
You know, it's more fun to watch the Premier League. Yeah.
What about the League One, the French league? Do you think they have come up a bit competing with Bundesliga? Or, I mean, it's difficult to compete with the Premier League. Yeah. But at least with Bundesliga.
I think, in my opinion, Bundesliga is more active.
Active?
Yeah. Like people I would watch Bundesliga.
But other than Bayern Munich,
French.
Other than, I think people don't watch other than Bayern Munich. If you ask any common,
how do you think Alonso went to Madrid?
Yeah.
How do you think people saw Alonso? It's because what he did with Leverkusen.
Yeah, Leverkusen.
Right?
Yeah.
And there's Dortmund also.
Yeah, Dortmund, Hoffenheim.
Yeah.
These are clubs.
I mean, it's competitive.
What do you about this our region, Arab region?
Yeah.
Saudi. Do you agree that bringing in players like Ronaldo and the big stars Benzema coming 2022, post 2022, the Saudi league structure or the region's football, the overall standard has really gone up. There is a competition with the Champions League. I'm talking of AFC Champions League now.
Yes. And the proof that bringing like big names, big players such as Riyad Mahrez, Cristiano Ronaldo, even Tony, yeah. He used to be playing in no one knew him as much, but now everyone like searching where did he used to play. He's such a good player, So I think the only proof that what they did with their league, bringing good players and big names, is that when Al Ahly won the AFC Champions League. That's the proof that everyone should do the same. And also it's competitive. And also they have a crazy audience.
Yeah.
Do you watch their TiVos and whatever they do with on the stands?
Yes.
It's crazy. It's amazing.
So Hilal versus Ahly and all these games.
Ittihad, they have Benzema.
Yeah, Benzema and all.
They have a good squad. Each team has a great squad. I think it's balanced. It's competitive. It's good to watch. And they deserve at least one team of the Saudi League to win the AFC.
Do we hope that in the years to come we are going to get full-fledged league for the women's Qatar?
I think yes. It's just very small steps, but I think we are getting there. I think for us as, let's say, former national team football players, former players in general, and becoming new coaches now, I think we know that we want more. We know that we want to see more.
Yeah.
So I think it's us that going to have to just a little bit like improve that or change that a little bit. And I think we do have good people that will listen, good people that will support, and I think it's the most likable sports in Doha. Everyone loves football, watch football, play football.
Correct.
And I think we can create a safe, good environment for women to play football. Yeah.
What do you do? I mean, generally hanging around in Qatar and all.
I am a very chill person. I am a very home person.
Okay.
I love to stay at home. And I think with my job, now I just want to relax and chill at home.
Dwana, I was reading one article recently that AI has come into our life like, some twinkling stars. Everybody is talking about AI.
Yes.
In football, there was an article which says that maybe tomorrow, sometime after 5 years, now a player will have a robot to practice with.
No way.
Yeah, I don't know whether it is true or not. I mean everything would be measured through your movements, your fitness, your lung power, heartbeat. It will be AI controlled. I mean, now everything is AI now. So do you think that is possible, that is feasible?
I think in my mind, I would believe in what God had created, like us, our minds.
Yeah.
I will believe more so in that than human being creating someone similar to them. So I don't think that's a good idea.
Okay, one last question, one last viewpoint about you on the juniors. What they can look forward to, what should be their motivation in life, and irrespective of sports, your message to all the juniors out there.
I think for them, I do have a lot of younger players that I coach, and I know and I can see the motivation in their eyes, and I know and I see that they are counting on me to have them try this game, or like let's say even having a camping outside Doha, traveling. So I think for them, I just want to say this, just to stick up with what you believe in, and believe more in yourself, and believe that you might one day going to have a professional league, you're going to be a professional football player, even if it's not in Doha. Just believing in yourself that you can achieve more and more and more, it's going to keep you going.
Great.
Yes.
That's a great message, and I think everybody listening should be following it.
Yes.
And thanks for joining us in this program called Spodcast.
Thank you for having me, Muhammad. I enjoyed having this chat with you.
ये तो दुआना फीमेल फुटबॉल कोच एंड AFC, आई वुड से AFC लाइसेंस कोच, एंड अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात होगी एक और दिलचस्प एथलीट के साथ. तब तक के लिए मुझे यानी मोहम्मद अमीन को दीजिए इजाज़त. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.